Here we go, boys and girls. Welcome back to another fly fishing video for the sea trout. We've been out for a while, but we are coming back strong. Today we are in a May month, and finally some warmer temperatures. We got some wind today, but it's plus 15 degrees. And for you guys that follow me on YouTube, you've seen this place a couple of times. Now I haven't been out fishing that much as I want, as I was supposed to, but I had a couple of trips with different results. Some sea trout in the bag, some zero trips, but now we're back, and we're back 100%. A little bit of. I'm going to talk a little bit about conditions. It's a low tide, but we got some wind and we got some waves, and it's really looking really good here. I got my 6-weight Hardy Zane Pro with my Hardy reel, and we got the magnet on. I'm going to try with one fly. Maybe I'll switch it up. We shall see. As I say, we are in the month of May, and the days are getting longer and longer in Norway. It's currently maybe 7:15. We're going to be fishing about 3.5 hours, around 10 o'clock, and I'm hoping I will reach 3 different spots. But for the time being, I'm really looking forward to testing out this one here. Now I think we had enough chit chat. It's about time to put the flies in the water and see if we can find a sea trout or two. We got some bait fish here, small bait fish. We're hoping, since they are here, that sea trout are here too. See the small black ones. Only bad thing now is I got wind coming in from my right hand side. So, but we're gonna give it a go. Quick update. I've been here for half an hour, maybe 40 minutes. Changed a couple of flies. Fished off all that beach. Again up here, nothing. Another bite, another follower, nothing. Zero, zilch. The only thing that I saw was a nice fish jumping right between those 2 rocks over there. And my luck, there's no crossing over, and I can't reach that far. So decision has been made. We are moving to the second spot. Yeah, it looked really good here. I'm really feeling resultant to moving on, because it looks really good. But that was the mistake I used to make. But now, yeah, we're moving on. We got 2 more spots. We're gonna check it out before calling it quits today. Yep, I'll see you on the next one. As you can see, totally different conditions. A little current and some wind makes wonders. But we're gonna give it a go. As you can see, low tide, so I'm gonna be moving really quiet and really slow. I'm gonna fish off the shallow part. I have a different approach here. I changed the setup. I got a floating line on, an extra long leader, and I got a 4X on it. Really thin leader or tippet, and a sand shrimp, a big sand shrimp. I'm really hoping gonna give me some results. Now we see there's some movement on the water. That's really good. So the sea trout can feel safe. But I really doubt that there's some fish here. So we're not gonna use that much time. Maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes before we move on the next spot. Let's give it a go. Well, yet again, I do the same mistake as always. I see one fish jumping and I see another one. I think it was plus 2 kilos jumping, and I overstayed my welcome. I saw it jump just once, changed the 2 flies, move into the spot, but nothing. And now I'm thinking, should I stay here because the sun is almost down and wait, maybe he's gonna show himself again, or should I go on the third spot? And right now I'm torn between two. So decision is, we're going on a third spot, fish it really quickly and come back here when it's darker, just to see if there's any movement. But as you can see, nothing. Really quiet. Totally different conditions here than on the first spot. Yeah, I'm gonna hurry so we can come to the third spot really fast. I'll see you there. Here we go, third spot. Been here before with some mixed results. Never this, I call it late in the year or in the May month, and never this late. It's 9 o'clock. As you can see, it's still daytime. We got maybe half an hour of fishing. I'm gonna use it for a fully. Now, every time I've been here, I was always going to the right, fishing on the beach and a little bridge. This time I thought I'm gonna move a little bit. Oh, there's a rabbit. Hope you guys see it's rabbit over there. Huh. There was a fish, and exactly what I thought. Going to the left. Rabbit, fish. Third spot. Well, fingers crossed. I'm not gonna go wading. I'm just gonna be standing on the shore and casting. Usually I go straight away over there. I'm gonna see that little jump over there. If I can catch it. Oh, come on, 9 o'clock, May month, plus 15 degrees in the air. Spring and summer is coming. Let's see if we can catch a fish or two. Yeah, nothing on that spot. Just a little tug. And I saw, maybe it was the same fish in distance, feeding twice on the surface. And from that, nothing more. Now we're on that little bridge. Yet again, you guys know what I mean when I say I hate standing on the docks or small bridge or like that rock when I felt a little tug. I really don't like it, but this spot here used to be good, especially in late spring, summertime. some big fish are cruising around here, but I haven't been at this spot for maybe 7-8 months. So I don't know if anything has changed. Really low tide, so there we go. There we go. Feels like a sea trout. Nice one. There we go. That's the problem. Where I'm gonna land it. Because I'm on a freaking bridge. But I'll be coming around here just to see. Oh, it's a nice one. Not that big. Maybe 35 plus centimeters. But we're gonna try to land it here. Yeah, as I was saying, a good spot here. Yeah. Maybe I can land it now. It's fighting really good. Let's try to land it. I don't want to push it too hard. Good condition on it. Don't stop, don't start with me now shaking with those heads. With those head shakes. I don't like those. Let's go. Let's see if you can come in to me. You still want to run? Okay, big boy, come here. Yeah. Nice one. Well, it's a nice silver one. 38 centimeters. It was bleeding, so I had to take it home with me. Anyway, I was thinking about taking home with me. It was like over 35 centimeters. It was 38, but it was bleeding too. Nice silver, nice condition, little fatty. Yeah, good one. Let's see if there's a couple of more. It's 10 o'clock. It's getting darker and darker. I want to go home. Not bad. 3 hours fishing trip. First spot we saw a fish, decent one. Nothing else. Second spot we saw 2 fish, a really big one. I think 2+ kilos, as I said. Third spot we saw both a rabbit and a little jumpy sea trout, and we let them on. So after 7-8 months with almost, and I say almost, no fishing, not bad at all. Now the plan going further, it's summertime, almost as summertime. We are in May month. It was a cold spring, so sea trout fishing is still good, and we're gonna be keeping up with the sea trout fishing, but we're gonna be filming some films for brown trout and Euro nymphings for brown trout. So if you are liking this video and you're wondering if you're gonna subscribe for the channel, please do, because it's gonna come up some pretty nice and snacksy stuff. If not, I really hope you enjoyed the video and you give me a thumb up, and I'll see you in the next one.